Hi there, little seeds. Welcome to KindleSeeds Learning. I'm Teacher Bela, and I'm so happy you're here today. Today, we're going to learn 100 simple everyday phrases together. These are words and phrases you can use every day to help you talk, play, and grow. We will say them slowly, and you can repeat after me. You can use these phrases when you're eating, playing, saying hello, or telling mommy and daddy how you feel. Are you ready to learn and have fun together? Let's take a big, deep breath in and out. Great job! Let's begin our phrases together, little seeds. Everyday actions. We're going to learn everyday action words and phrases together. These are words you can use when you wake up, brush your teeth, wash your hands, play, eat, and get ready for bed. They will help you tell mommy and daddy what you need and help you talk about what you are doing. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's have fun, say the words together, and grow strong and smart. Let's get up. Let's get up. Time to brush your teeth. Time to brush your teeth. Let's wash your hands. Let's wash your hands. Time to eat breakfast. Time to eat breakfast. Do you want water? Do you want water? Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Come here, please. Come here, please. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. Time for a bath. Time for a bath. Let's get dressed. Let's get dressed. Can you help me? Can you help me? Please wait. Please wait. Let's read a book. Let's read a book. Let's play together. Let's play together. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Let's say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. Good job. Good job. Now we will learn polite words and phrases together. Polite words and phrases. These are words like please, thank you, excuse me, and sorry. They help you be kind, take turns, and share with your friends. When you use polite words, you make people happy and show that you are a kind and caring friend. Are you ready to practice with me? Let's say our polite phrases together and grow our kind hearts. Please, please, thank you, you're welcome, excuse me, I'm sorry, it's okay, no, thank you, yes please, can I have it, may I try, please share, let's take turns, be gentle, use kind words, let's say hello, let's say thank you, let's wave goodbye, I love you, big hug, high five. Now we will learn feelings and needs words together. Feelings and needs. These are words like I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm hungry, and I need help. These words help you tell mommy, daddy, and your friends how you feel and what you need. When you can share your feelings, you feel safe, strong, and understood. Are you ready to practice with me? Let's say our feelings and needs phrases together and grow our brave voices. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I need help. I feel mad. I feel scared. I feel excited. I'm okay. I like it. I don't like it. I want this. I don't want that. It hurts. I feel better. I'm sleepy. I feel strong. I'm having fun. I'm proud of you. Now we will learn play and exploration words together. Play and exploration. These are fun words like let's play, let's dance, let's draw, and let's go outside. These words help you talk while you play, learn new things, and have fun with your friends and family. When you use these words, you can share your ideas, play games, and explore the world around you. Are you ready to play and learn with me? Let's say our play and exploration phrases together and grow our curious minds. Let's draw. Let's draw. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Look at this. Look at this. What's that? What's that? Let's count together. Let's count together. Let's build it. Let's build it. Let's pretend. Let's pretend. Let's find it. Let's find it. Let's go fast. Let's go fast. Let's go slow. Let's go slow. Let's color. Let's color. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play with blocks. Let's play with blocks. Let's jump. Let's jump. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Let's roll the ball. Let's roll the ball. Let's catch the ball. Let's catch the ball. Let's splash in water. Let's splash in water. Now we will learn encouraging words together. These are words like you can do it, great job, try again, and you are brave. Encouraging language. These words help you feel happy, strong, and ready to keep going, even when something feels hard. When you use encouraging words, you help yourself and your friends feel proud and confident. Are you ready to grow your brave heart with me? Let's say our encouraging words together and keep shining bright. You can do it. You can do it. Try again. Try again. I'm here with you. Here. I'm here with you. Great try. Great try. Wow, you did it. Wow, you did it. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. You are so strong. You are so strong. You are so fast. You are so fast. You are so kind. You are so kind. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Let's try together. Let's try together. It's okay to try. It's okay to try. You're learning. You're learning. Let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath. We can try again. We can try again. You are important. You are important. You are loved. You are loved. You are brave. You are brave. You are smart. You are smart. You make me smile. You make me smile. Great job, little seed. You did amazing learning your everyday action words with me today. Now you can use these words when you wake up, play, eat, and get ready for bed. Remember, every time you use your words, you grow strong, smart, and confident. I'm so proud of you. Don't forget my name. My name is Teacher Bella. If you liked learning with me today, ask Mommy or Daddy to follow, like, and subscribe so we can keep learning and growing together every day. See you next time for more fun learning and growing together.